Welcome back to the catalog, where simple materials become clever solutions and leftover wood finds its purpose. Today we're exploring a topic that so many of us struggle with: bathroom clutter. Bottles everywhere, towels with no home, tiny items constantly disappearing. But what if solving all that didn't require expensive shelving or complicated tools? What if the answer was sitting right in your scrap wood pile? In this episode, we're unlocking 5 pocket-friendly wood projects designed to bring order, beauty, and unexpected charm to any bathroom. These ideas stay general and beginner-friendly, because the goal here is inspiration, not complicated construction. Get ready to look at wood in a new way, because every project in this video starts with a simple spark of curiosity. What if? Let's begin with Project 1, the minimalist countertop riser. It's based on a very simple idea. Imagine a small wooden platform sitting on your sink counter, lifting your most used items just a little higher. The magic is in the visual separation. When items rest at a higher level than the rest of the counter, your eye immediately senses order instead of chaos. It's such a small shift, but it changes the entire mood of the bathroom. A piece of leftover wood suddenly becomes a stage, turning everyday items like soap, perfume bottles, or skincare jars into a kind of functional display. It's simple, elegant, and surprisingly calming to look at. Now let's move to Project 2, the vertical wall catch-all. This project is all about that unused area on the bathroom wall that usually sits empty. The curiosity here begins with one question: what if a narrow piece of wood could hold everything that normally clutters your sink? This concept uses a vertical board as the base, and then small attachments or pockets made from additional pieces, woven baskets, or small jars. The idea is not the exact shape, but the concept of stacking storage upward instead of outward. When everything is collected in one vertical zone, it feels intentional, even artistic. You gain more counter space instantly without drilling into your budget. Project 3 is the compact towel nook, a cozy little space for rolled towels made entirely from wood scraps. This project plays with the idea of creating a small dedicated home for soft items. Picture a wooden frame or open box mounted on a wall or placed on a shelf. The moment towels have a specific spot, your bathroom looks organized even if everything else is simple. The curiosity spark here comes from asking, how small can a storage space be and still be useful? And the answer is, surprisingly small. Even a tiny nook brings order and a spa-like feeling to the bathroom. Project 4 is the sliding under-sink organizer. This is less about building a complex drawer and more about understanding the principle behind it. Bathrooms usually hide their most valuable and used space under the sink. A flat board with a handle becomes a shallow tray. Instead of reaching deep into a dark cabinet, you simply slide the tray out. Suddenly, storing items under the sink feels effortless. The curiosity spark here? What if the storage came to you instead of you going to it? With a simple wood base, the answer becomes real. And now we arrive at Project 5, the over-toilet display shelf. That tall, neglected space above the toilet tends to remain empty because people assume it's tricky to work with. But what if a single board could turn that dead space into a stylish and practical zone? This project is all about the power of placement. A wooden shelf or small structure hovering above the tank instantly adds room for decor, plants, extra toilet rolls, or storage baskets. The curiosity spark here asks, what happens when we look at forgotten spaces with fresh eyes? Suddenly, the bathroom feels bigger, brighter, and more intentional. As we walk through these ideas, notice something important. None of the projects rely on complicated details. The magic lies in observing your bathroom, noticing the spots where clutter gathers, and asking how a simple piece of wood could transform that area. Once you start thinking this way, even the smallest scrap becomes a solution waiting to happen. If your bathroom feels overwhelmingly small, these projects shift the focus from limitation to invention. They don't demand perfect cuts or expensive materials. They just invite you to experiment. Try placing wood in different ways. Stack it, lean it, hang it, or slide it. When you use curiosity as your guide, design becomes natural and fun. Before we wrap up, here's something to keep in mind. Great organization isn't about having more stuff. It's about giving the items you already own a thoughtful home. Wood is warm, timeless, and unbelievably versatile. It balances the cold surfaces of bathroom tiles and fixtures, creating a cozy feeling even in tiny spaces. With just a few pocket-friendly pieces, you can bring both beauty and order into your daily routine. Thank you for exploring these wood-powered bathroom hacks with us. If you enjoy clever solutions, simple materials, and creativity sparked by curiosity, make sure to check out the rest of our catalog episodes. Your next brilliant idea might be sitting right in your scrap pile.